Yabona i-remuneration noma inkokhelo ye-land, i-rent. I-remuneration ye-entrepreneur, i-profit. I-remuneration ye-capital, i-interest. Bese kuthi i-remuneration ye-labor, ama-wages. Yabona uma ungakashintsha ukucabanga kwakho, usacabangisa okweningi, eliningi elu-95 or 90% elicontrolwa u-10% or 5%, uyodla sebedlile, isystem izokuhlafuna, iphinde izohlafuna ingane yakho, iphinde izohlafuna abazukulu bakho. Abantu abazama ukulwa nesystem ngamandla basemajele, abazama ukubonakala bebangumsindo bekhuluma into enesense kodwa bengenzi, kwabonakala ukuthi bayingozi, bafakwa imali emalokhunjaneni, bavala la, bakuyeka wasafarisha. Isystem iyahlafunana, mhlambe kuyimanje iyakuhlafuna, ulala ukhathele udaka, unikeza umsebenzi into okuyilo wazalo, kweletu usithebhe, imali ayibonakali, kuya le isystem ila, ukudla kubizana, yonke into ithebhe. Isystem ayinandaba nawe, ngisho ungafa futhi izokureplace ifake omunye umuntu, ayinandaba nawe. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ngeke ngacishe ngasebenzisa igama elithi uquqaba, ngabuye ngayikhuza. Angifuni ukuthi ngibize abantu ngoquqaba, kodwa indlela okwenzeka ngayo ama-elite, abantu abatop, abantu abaphethe imali, abaphethe umnotho, abango-engineer be-system, banibiza exactly ngalelo gama elithi uquqaba. Abanandaba ukuthi khona ofayo kulolu quqaba ngenxa yezinto abazenzayo. Bathi phela wena you suffer the consequences of your own ignorance. Abanandaba lapho. Angithi uyabona ukuthi la emhlabeni kunabantu abanjengawe abamnyama, abanye abaclose nawe babona day to day, aba right, aba well established, economically, financially, they are well established, and socially ba right. Khona indlela abenza ngayo. Ubayeke laba bypass ama spiritual laws, those one are still going to face the music. Bayeke labo, ngikhuluma ngalaba aba implement into practical. Le system ifuna ukuthi ube practical, uphinde ushintshe indlela yokucabanga. Ayisaliwa lento ngalento yo June 16 yo uprising, ayisaliwa kanjalo, iliwa ngengqondo. Shintsha indlela yokucabanga. Ubonile nama factors of production ekade ngwabala. Lawa ama factors of production ekade ngwabala, iyona into kumele usebenze kuyona leyo. You are thinking of ownership. Angithi ubonile yanto ekade ngibala, own business utholani i-profit, owner i-land uthola i-rent, land and buildings, othola owner i-capital, invested your capital, you come within interest. You are that's the ownership. Owner lo labor owner, own skill. We have skilled and unskilled labor, but you are just one paycheck away from being broke. You're just one check away from being broke because you are owning nothing. You don't think of ownership, you think of consuming every time. When you don't, yonke lento elapha endlini yakho, ama-microwave, ama-television sets, ama-phone, ama-social media, yonke lento eyisebenzisayo, wena ucabanga ukuyisebenzisa nje yonke, akukho ucabanga uku-owner, akukho nje kodwa. Awucabanga lutho nje. Wena every time you think of buying, you don't think otherwise. Yabona, if you have never changed the quadrant, yabona lama quadrant, kune quadrant ka E, employment, kune quadrant ka S, self-employed, you are employer lapho. Shift kulo quadrant uye kwi quadrant ka I, investing, ne quadrant ka B, business. Think of those quadrants. Move on. Laba be quadrant ka E no S, they are working for these people quadrant ka B no I move lapho when owner wena nje ubusebenza nje uyazi ukuthi ini assets ithi lokhungana into ekusiza ukuthi ugenerate ilokhungana i-resource ekusiza ukuthi ugenerate i-profit i-asset ungangitshela uma uthenga imoto engagenerate profit bese uthi own i-asset liability leyo wena uyasebenza wena uthola imali njalo ngenyanga ubani asset la akuweni asset ngoba uwe le asset iyo retire ngelinye ilanga maye retire le asset ithini iplan yakho uthembele kwini uthembele kwi pension fund mhlazane ku retire le assets le do you know the maths that is involved there shintsha le assets le and find the assets that will outlive you. Find that asset that will outlive you. Think in terms of the I and the B. Ownership. Bheka abantu abaningi. The business model ithi I own something and I get remuneration for that. Yabo? That is why now they start opening services, subscriptions athile because they are owning the right, the property right, and then when they are bakudayisela ini the right to use, and then we are renting it. That is a business model. Uma uzoyibuka ngeso lo complain vele uzothi ku unfair, but wahlala phansi wacabanga wabona ukuthi yini edingekalayo because we are thinking of in terms of ownership. What is it that you are owning when this is an asset that is generating money for you or that you are working towards? That is the shifting the way of thinking. Wena njalo ngemali ezakwena you are thinking of consuming. Consumerism ne materialism it's a bad. And then you think we are just the victim of the circumstance. No, we are lazy in thinking. Ayikho into engicika njengomuntu ongashawa uvalo ngalento eyenzekalayo. Abone konke kuhle kusweet kushukela nje. Ngoba usibuyisele emuva singabantu amampisholo. Sibuyisele emuva. Ukuvuka koyedwa ecabanga thinking of ownership rather than being a consumer every time. Ukuvuka koyedwa kunginika ihope nethemba lokuthi we are moving. But ukubona umuntu eba ignorant kungenza ngilahlekelwe ithemba nje. Akusho ukuthi ba perfect manje, but try. I-awareness is the first thing. Awareness is showcase because ngikhulumile izolo ngale nto le engikhulume ngathi you are in awareness. Within that awareness you develop an attention. You shift your attention to a certain specific vicinity. Financial education, wealth creation. Kodwa abantu babhizi bacabanga consumerism nje kuphela. They don't think along those lines. Akekho usavior la. Tshele mina ozokwehla phezulu ezoseva wena. Akho political party la ezosiza wena kuleyo ngxaki leyo. Akho umuntu, akho umfundisi wakho, akho lutho nje. Bakushaya ngenqathu umfundisi uthembe nje ukuthi wena uyazi esontweni. That's it. Shaya ngenqathu nje kuphela. Think of ownership. What is it that you want to own? What is it that you are currently owning? What is it that you are working towards owning? Are you a labor only? Labor, wages. That's it. You don't even have time to work on your passions because you are a labor, selling your skills. Not to mention whether we are skilled labor or unskilled labor. At least those are skilled, they are qualified slaves, and but you are the system but it's when unemali wenezo no unemali uthala ngikunika loan uthala ngikunika imali. They are even far worse than those who are unskilled. Why? They have access to leverage. So because they have access to leverage, abatas low leverage to build the wealth. They take that leverage for consumerism. They are buying all these dokungana things, this paying back the loan. There's like terrible financial choices are very terrible. Yeah, bengisho lokho nje.